mar loso chike ma affect county, but at the same time watch mar timo development. And part of loso chike ni en gin chike ma nyalo konyo weche mag development. For instance, county assemblies ema pass finance bill mar county. At the same time, all the development projects, development plans, nyakatere county assembly mabed pass ki county assembly. Now, in my view, county assemblies will also fail tijini. And you say fail the tijini nikechi one, iyudo ni county assemblies bedo control the governance, so that jotelo mag committees mag counties bedo ni gin joma aligned to governor. And mine is because governors control especially budget might you go county assemblies, and once the governor was controlling ngama bedo speaker ngama bedo chairman mag important committees, so it means ni governor kose bedo kod gi kamkunji mo winjore kod gi magitimo ai oketo miyogi privileges ma jomoko ongego, to gibro timo mana gima governor dwaro, ma chieng' ma nitie gima onego bed ni bedo discussed ma governor comfortable go, to speaker kata chairman mag committees gi nyalo ketho, to gima governor dwaro tim titimo. So this is one of the areas my counties also fail. Ni gi fail in terms of watch mar oversight, to gi fail be watch mar legislation. And my view partly an issue mar capacity, issue mar Jomawat area assembly. Okay. For instance, ami example majanam. Nianka poda kijana matin, tahido ka kijana matin wadwa, tione Microsoft, tione all over the world. So ko biro gata ene mwate mondo wawinje into angoma what is the latest development mabro bire weche mag ICT, weche mag internet gi, weche mag computer. Okay? Kaji pod ne kia kana ni computer gi nango. You would expect ni ka county government ka angeo ni county government ma uma be to kunyal ndeke nikech ok ginyal chule. However, you would expect ni sama gidwa discuss their county development plans. Tilunge ni one okinginwa watch mar ICT ni kaka wanyalo improve. I am sure no nyalo time nono. Okay? Similarly, Kibire County wa Kisumu, one Yuwot Kisumu Gini Kisumu Mariek Malich, but Nikech Ibro Chue independent voice. In Anoka one, Oknyali Yergi Mondogidi county assemblies, but at the same time, county assemblies to the executive arm of the government, Oknyal tap into their potential, into Riekogi, into experience, into networks, Manyalo Konyo counties, Mondo County or develop. Okay, so because of that, in Anoka, we proceed quite in a lawful manner, in manners more of development. So counties were stagnated. For instance, you see, the Lake region, Kama counties were not here. Focus on the Gubeni and Nam. Nikech Nam no, Emma Kingio Nam, Tidoni Nam, Pido almost 40 million people around East Africa. To come up with the 40 million people around East Africa, Tidoni Namani Donam Nyandiwa, Kata Donam Nyamori, Nyathine Nindo Cage, Nyathine Oknyala Ford Katomena. Okay? So we need to look at the blue economy, and one lucky, ni President William Ruto, also chiwo focus ne on wajma blue economy. Okay? So, and the question is, one, Erika kawa benefit from blue economy development, national government was a kilo. For instance, ki neno paya mani neno mutimuma beja. Ingi neno the fish landing beaches meeting all over Nyanza. Ingi yo wajma midwa team mar ferry. Midwa get ferry area. And several other projects. Giyore ma wukwendego. So, what is it, again, ma county nyalo timo, ma augment gima national government timogo, so that kawa timo planning be what okwa team planning kaka small fiefdoms, okwa team planning kaka county to attempt timo planning ma the entire region counties were obed pin kaka the lake one what was called the lake region economic block wangi anento sama jo Homa Bay losondara beginya losondara chiel ma ko chope border gi Kisumu, to Kisumu pick from there, to Lose to border gi Siaya, and Siaya pick from there. And at the same time, Erika Gaginyalo invest a yevi, Erika Gaginyalo invest a fish landing beaches, Erika Gaginyalo timu capacity building Mario Matienam, so that we see a whole region development. we also see development manyalo konyowa. To this can only happen ka county assemblies are functional. Okay? Ma wan gi MCAs ma paro ni onego bed ni wabedo gi development plans for the next 25 years. Okay, then we reduce to the county development plans miloso every 5 years. And then we follow up and we make sure any county government or implement gik mondike plans go. And kampok gitime, then we hold them to account. Without that, you don't need